Hello and greetings to everybody. Welcome to official primetime presentation from Affiliate Marketing 3.0. I'm Prashit. I'm your host for tonight, and I'm one of the rank leader closely associated with this project for almost 2 years now. This has been one of the fantastic opportunity in my lives and many others who are a part of this global community. On behalf of Affiliate Marketing 3.0, I welcome each and everyone, especially if there are any new guests with us tonight. We warm welcome you. And with that note, tonight's presentation is, of course, it's the first day presentation of the week, and it's gonna be very special. And we also have an exciting news to share with you all, and it's gonna blow your mind. So, without further ado, please welcome all your teams who are not here. Text them, message them, call them, so that they can enjoy this presentation. They can enjoy this exciting news that we are gonna share with you all. I welcome all the rank leaders, and I welcome everybody. And tonight we have a special presenter as well, who is one of the rank leader. In fact, he leads one of the good and biggest team, and he is someone who is very passionate about this project. And I think he is one of the best presenter to present this opportunity to us all. Let us welcome David from Financial Freedom Team. David, over to you, and the night is yours. Thank you.
Thank you, Trashit, and really amazing, guys. We have some exciting news. I think the most of you already know, but if you didn't invite all your new people, all your old people, all the people who were thinking, several months ago, or people who are waiting, for some products to become active, people who are waiting for Bitcoin code to use in purchasing 100% subscription, then make sure you call everybody. We have now 86 people. Rashid, what do we do? Wait until you have 100 people?
I think people will keep on inviting them as we progress. Let's begin the presentation.
I think, guys, we are recording this. So if you look this recording, then you would wish that you were live here, because this is history-making opportunity. Okay, I will start. And we will start, of course, with the amazing presentation. Thank you, Trashid, for this amazing PowerPoint. And let's get started. So everybody, I think the most people know me. I'm David from the Netherlands. I'm 34 years in this industry, network marketing. It's in every vein of my body, in every cell. Why? Because in some countries, they are not that fortunate. Or in a lot of countries, they have a really good job, and they do not have that free time. So if you are looking for money, if you're looking for free time, if you're looking for an opportunity, if you're looking for a challenge, then you are at the right address. We have a disclaimer, and after the disclaimer, I will start the PowerPoint presentation.
General disclaimer. Welcome to this official presentation on Affiliate Marketing Model 3.0. All presenters are providing their services on a volunteer basis and are active participants in all products they are presenting. Their views and opinions do not necessarily reflect those of the organisation. While we aim for accuracy, errors may occur. All content is for informational purposes only. The information provided is general and not personalised advice. We are not liable for any losses. We provide information and systems, but we do not endorse any purchases of memberships. Your decisions are yours alone, so we advise conducting thorough research. If uncertain, seek guidance from a qualified professional. Attendees accept these terms by continuing to view this presentation. Let's explore affiliate marketing. Legal viewing and affiliate marketing 3.0 official presentation.
I find some people is a little bit confronting, but this is actually the main factor. If you are not for this, then look for a challenge. Look for something what triggers you, what wakes you up, what wants you to do something in your free time, because this is what you do next to your study, next to your work, next to your life, to become financially free. That's the whole thing. So are you ready to discover how lives can change worldwide with reliable and incredible unicorn projects? To transform the affiliate marketing with trust, transparency, and decentralized ecosystems, because there's a lot of other companies there, and people need to find trust again. To empower people to leverage with our fintech companies in the AI and DeFi world with amazing technologies. Our DeFi and CEFI products benefit members to capitalize on this coming bull run. And a lot of people, they think the bull run is already over. But we were in Dubai last week, and it was so amazing. You can see everybody is waiting, everybody is looking, everybody is creating. So the bull run is coming, guys. Don't slow down. Make sure that you grab this opportunity. And the Affiliate Marketing 3.0 is a launchpad to groundbreaking products. We have the best innovative projects to a community-driven marketplace. with a vision in the affiliate marketing industry to deliver sustainable and rewarding products in the following sectors: blockchain invitations. So we own our own blockchain, artificial intelligence, market possibilities, and decentralized finance. That is the next big thing. Our founder, Chavez, highlighted in Forbes India. He's a young man from India, now already from his 17-year-old building AI, building tech, building amazing opportunities. And it is all about giving power back to the community. This is a tech person who really understands this market, but he has also the knowledge about how to create it. And because we work in the affiliate system together, we can do amazing, amazing things. So the DeFi products. We have, of course, our BTC20 miners. They will mine for 140 years, and we started in 2023, in October. And every time when you have a miner or you buy more mining hash, then you will mine BTCCs. You can already start for $50 with a Xeon GT1X. But we have a $500 miner, and we have a $5,000 miner. LquidPay card. You can see we have a $100 card where you have crypto credit card, where you can have friction-free liquidity on access to your money. You can start already with a $100 card. But we also have a $500 card and a higher one. Dodo, index trading. For a lot of people, what crypto do you need to buy? You know, after 34 years in this industry, people ask you a lot of questions. And now 11 years in the crypto, people ask me, what is a good coin to buy? And I always said to people, you know, you go to the coin market and you buy the top 11. But now with Dodo, we have technical people who can help you with that. So you can start Dodo already from $100 up till $25,000. But it doesn't stop there. Because the BTCC miners, we have the big miners from $5,000. We have the big LquidPay card from $1,000. So you can choose what suits you the best. And all these products give you 300% potential income. So when you buy a product from the DeFi, it is 3x. So when you start with a $50 miner, you can earn in the affiliate system $150. But you can buy more products every time. We also have CEFI products. And I think the most people are very happy with the CEFI. It has a 500% or a 5x income, potential income in the affiliate system. You can already start with $100 up till $50,000. And Capital 3.0 is investing, is letting you make it possible that you can invest in unicorn projects. Unicorn projects are projects, you know, they come on the market, but they still need like 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 8 years time. But I can assure you, Capital 3.0 pays you 2% a day passively in Capital 3.0 tokens, what you can use to utilize to enter the unicorn projects from all new crypto projects selected by experts. So this is one of the most amazing opportunities from our portfolio. But then we have Protocol Yeald. And Protocol Yeald, I will give you a little bit more information after this, because this is really next level. I saw today one of the leaders' account and I was flabbergasted. I was really flabbergasted how this product works. And we have a special offer now for everybody who has BTCC, Bitcoin code already harvested, or, you know, in your wallet, maybe from a refund. If you have BTCCs, you're in for a treat today. So it starts from $500 up till $50,000. But from today, you can start with $100 in BTCC, USDT BTCC. You heard it. You can buy the subscription with $100 in USDT BTCC, and then you can invest up till $500 in USDT Binance. Really, really amazing. So Protocol Yeald, it's a profit sharing system, secured fund custodian, and assured in identical returns. So SoFi, driven investment infrastructure. It's social finance. And this is what we have accomplished together with the tech team from Chavez. So it's powered by Binance, Bybit, AWS, Fireblocks, and Shufti Pro. So PyScore is not just a leaderboard. It is an intelligence performance engine. It looks all back. They did They do every day millions of analyzing. They did 690 different trades, tested. So it's built for transparency and it's powered by AI. The PiScore analyzes real-time data of the high-frequency trading services. It looks at different aspects. This is, for me, a blessing. I'm a networker. I saw so many trading programs coming and going. But for me to have this opportunity to sell this, to bring this to my family and friends, this kind of products, that is really next level. So you can do every day yourself a lot of investigations, but can you do 1.1 million transaction analyzing? 680 plus high frequency trading scored daily are analyzed. You can choose between different strategies. You see Swift Holding, BTC Alpha, Algo Rider, Blackwood Capital, Purple Swan, and Cypherflow. Cypherflow is pretty new. You can see there's not so much in there on this moment, but you can see different percentages. And this is for some people. Some people, they want to make more percentage on the long term, and other people, they want to make more percentage, monthly. Because, it's about the liquidity, what you have, where you can work with. So if you know that you have a part of money what you can, work with in this month or 3 months, then you have a different strategy. If you say, hey, I have money, I don't need it for 2-3 years, then you can have a different strategy. And this is what you can do. So the starting investing, you can start with $10. So you need a subscription, and then you can start from off $10. It's flexible fund. Draw every day. Trade will be verified by trade with verified experts. So it is officially done because the license is by Binance and Bybit. Officially broker. Real-time trades analyzing, 690 trade scores, 1.1 million trades are analyzed. No monthly fees. You only pay a small percentage of your profit. Funds are SAFU and secured. So SAFU is one of the biggest institutes from Binance where your assets is fully protected. Binance security assets on funds from users. And I was just talking with Rashid and he said the funds are secured for $1 billion. Can you see SAFU funds wallet comprised of $1 billion USDC? Fireblocks powers our technology with industry-leading certifications. So if you are looking for something what is 100% secure, then this is it. Of course, when you trade can go up and down. Be honest with that. But your funds are secured by Fireblocks, by Binance, by the protocol. And this is for me one of the most interesting opportunities. You can see here Purple Swan. In total, in this moment when the picture was made, you could see that already money was invested. You can see here everything, the portfolio value. You can see here totally invested. You can see every detail is visual. But the best thing is you go to pi.xyz yourself and look for yourself. That's the best thing you can do. So assets under management, AUM, is the maximum funds that can be invested with traders against a subscription. So you need a license to can invest. Profit share daily settlement, PSDS. Every 24 hours there's a PSDS. For the Netherlands, that's between 8 and 10 o'clock in the evening. I think in Dubai it's between 10 and 12. Every day. So if you do some changement in your back office, then it will be accomplished. So on PSDS, then the money comes out if you did a withdrawal. Success fee. There is a profit shared from the traders. So they do the work and you only pay the profit from what you make. So I do not know it's here, but let's say you make with $1,000, you make $20 profit, then you pay $10, 50%. But there are different packages where you pay less percentages. But let's say your profit is going up and then down. So it goes from 1,000 to 1,020, you pay the 50%, $10, then it goes back to 920, and then it goes back to 1,020. You do not need to pay any new. Only when it comes above the 1,020, then you pay, of course. But the bigger your package, the lower your success fee. So you can start now, today, with $100 Whale Pass, pay the subscription in BTC20 USDT, and you can put $500 at work, passively. You see the success fee is 50% and you get 50%. But you can always upgrade to a bigger package. If you see license 3, 5,000, then you only pay 40% to the traders and you get 60%. But license 6, you see 50,000, you only pay 25% and you get 75% of all profits. This is really for everybody. So buy the affiliate product and become a partner of our business family. So a basic subscription, you can already start in this business for $50 and you can enjoy all the benefits from the products. So you can see we have the DeFi $50 start, CEFI $100, and especially now today with BTC 20, and this will only run for 14 days. So it is from today till the 20th of May. Make sure that you call all your people if you already have people, and I know there are a lot of people who had a refund from the previous product. This is where they can use for subscription-wise their USDT. The potential earning, what we already said, is 3x, 5x, or 300%, 500%. You can choose where your focus goes. We have kickback bonuses, and that's from every person you bring in directly. We have check match, because we work in a binary. You have a left leg and a right leg, and that needs matching. We have Ascension Club bonuses, and we have pool rewards. The kickback and the check match is paid out daily in USDT TRC20 or USDC Polygon. The Ascension Club and the pool rewards is paid out monthly. So how can you qualify for the whole benefits of this opportunity? You start and you buy the product. And you see here $2. That means you buy 2 products, one in the DeFi and one in the CEFI. And you teach your people to do the same. When you have one person on the left and one person on the right, then you're qualified. And you can earn from all the leverage in the system your bonuses. Introducer kickback is 5%. And that is from all the people you introduce directly. It starts from the 3rd subscription. So I always say to people, when you sign a person up, you sign them up with $50, and later on you let them buy another package, because then you maximize the power of this compensation plan. So make sure that you bring a person, one left, one right. From the 2 first, you do not get 5%, but when they rebuy a subscription, then you get this 5%. Really, really good. And for everybody, it is the same. And you have an unlimited possibility to bring in people. The compensation plan is 10% from the check match. Every time when you bring in people left and right, you can earn check match. It is capped at $300 a day, but it's $300 in the DeFi and $300 in the CEFI. That is why I suggest buy at least one product in the DeFi and one product in the CEFI, so you are open to earn money in both. And then you can go up to $600 in matching daily from day one. So daily check match can be increased from $600 to $3,000 by achieving the ranks. We already qualified for the highest rank, and this is really rewarding. So how does it work? You have your left and your right. Let's say you have your package and you have a person, with $500 on the left and $1,000 on the right, and you sign up a 3rd subscriber. You get 5%. And that's $25 of the 500, 5%. And this is paid daily in USDT TRC20 or USDC Polygon. But you also have 2 times 500 on the left and 1,000 on the right. So now you get matching bonus. The matching bonus is 10% from 1,000. That's $100 plus the 25. You make $125 in green valid cash USDT TRC20 or USDC Polygon. The kickback and matching bonus are paid daily. So this is where you have an unlimited income potential. Ascension Club rewards. 11 ranks can be achieved. Increase daily check match limits. Up to $1 million in rewards on the highest Bitcoin rank. And rank rewards are deducted from the 5x income wallet. That's a CEFI. You can see here, Shiba. To reach the position of Shiba, you need 100,000 in your left and 100,000 in your right. You get a thank you bonus of $1,000, and the check match goes from 300 to 360. Tron, you need 250,000 left and 250,000 right. But this is only 150,000 more than the 100,000. So when you start new, you build your left team and right team. But once you have built this team, and these people build their team, you grow. And you can grow all the way to Bitcoin rank, what we already did. This is such an opportunity what you cannot let go. Because if you want to have $1 million in your wallet, then just become Bitcoin. It is really worth it. You can see the check match goes from $300 to $1,500. And that $1,500 is in the DeFi and in the CeFi, and that is how we calculate the 3,000. All ranks from Shiba to Ethereum can be achieved only once on an account. The Bitcoin rank can be achieved every 20 million in check match. So once you have 20 million left, 20 million right, you get $1 million for Bitcoin qualification. Thank you, rewards. But if you do 40 million and 40 million, you get it again. Really, really amazing. Pool rewards are for people who think bigger than themselves. The pool rewards is where you get paid from every person from the total company's revenue. This is for people who give also training, like the rank leaders, everybody who is here. You know, we work in a community. Of course, we have our own structure, but we have the global structure. And if you are in the pool from Mega Pool, Giga Pool, or Terra Pool, then this is rewarding for you. Because if then a person not in your structure, not in your line, brings in a lot of volume, then you will benefit from it. This is to bring everybody together. I love the pool rewards. You know, 4% from the total company revenue. I can tell you these are interesting numbers. 3% in the Giga Pool and 3% in the Terra Pool. And of course, at this moment, there is nobody in the Terra Pool, but we have a lot of people already in the Mega Pool and some people already in the Giga Pool. But this is really, really interesting. The only thing what you need is to do 1 million in your left leg and 1 million in your right leg. Then your Mega Pool. If you do 5 million in your left leg and 5 million in your right leg, then you are Giga Pool. And if you do 10 million in your left leg and 10 million in your right leg, then you are Terra Pool. And this is calculated from the 1st of September 2024. Yes. Also, this is deducted from the 5x wallet and the CeFi wallet. So make sure that you have enough in your CeFi. Of course, my name is David, and I'm a part of the Financial Freedom team. We help the people, and of course, we work with leverage all over the world. And the Financial Freedom team, you know, because we qualify for Bitcoin, Chavez says, let's make a position, a package for, you know, financial freedom. So everybody can become financial free. The combo package is very easy. You have LquidPay card, $100. You have the Dodo starter pack of $100. You have a shared note, and this is the only way to get a part of that note because notes are not available on this moment. So you get a shared note and 2 Xeon GT1X miners. If you buy the premium, you know, financial freedom pack, then you are also directly qualified for premium. You get also a Capital 3.0 package from $100 and a Protocol Yeald from $500. This is all in the financial freedom package. The price is $1,200 and you can pay $240 in BTCC in Bitcoin code USDT. So it's $960 in TRC20 and plus $240 in BTC20. But this is really an amazing, amazing package. If you look at the return of capital, because if you invest, and that is where a lot of people look at it from a point of view as an investment, if you look in the products like a shared note, it's only available with the financial freedom package. You are directly premium. You get premium rewards from the first referral, so you can buy this package and then bring in people left and right, and you can earn massively in the income of the affiliate system. So in the DeFi, you can earn $1,800. In the CeFi, you can earn $3,000. And you also get internally $100 cashback in 24 hours. So when you buy the package, you get the next day, you have in your CeFi wallet $100. Of course, there's 2% administration fee, so $98 will be in your back office. But this gives you a potential of income of $4,900. And this is really, really something else. This is next level for people. If you are looking for an opportunity, this is it. This is really, really, for me, this is, you know, wow. So the Affiliate Marketing 3.0 welcomes you. And my question to you is, are you ready? Are you ready to look at this opportunity? This is my part. Then we go to, of course, the part where we can go to buying a package with BTCC USDT. And I really want to show you this. Let me, Tashit, I can show it? You're muted, huh?
Yeah.
Cool, cool. Let me show this, and then I can do this. So what we are going to do is very simple. For everybody, if you can record it, otherwise it is on the recording, watch the recording back. I'm here in the back office from the sign up one. And what you actually need is you need to have USDT BTC20 in this wallet. So if you see here on the left side, you see DeFi deposit wallet BTC20. This is where it deducted from. The first thing what you need to do is create a wallet. You see here, create, you click on that one, and now this wallet is created. You click here again, and now you see the BTC20 wallet, USDT BTC20. You copy this address, and then you go to the wallet where you have your MetaMask. Here, MetaMask, and in this wallet you have there, you need USDT. So you click on USDT and you click on send. Here you paste in your address, and always check the address that it is correct. Yeah. Here you put in $100 0.2. I always do 0.2, just a little bit more. You know, sometimes there can be some fees. I know MetaMask is one-on-one, but I always do a little bit more. But make sure if you use providers like Binance or other, they can charge you $1 or $2 fee. Make always sure, because otherwise you have to send $10 or more again if you just have a few cents less. Once you have done that, you can continue. And you can see here, this transaction will cost you only 1 cent in BTCC. And yes, of course, you need to have some BTCCs in your wallet also as gas fee. So let me go back for that one, that you can have it in the wallet. So you see here, there is still enough of BTCC, but you need to have a little bit of BTCC in your wallet. And of course, you need to have that USDT. Let's do it again. Paste in the address. Make sure that the address is correct. You do 100.2 or something like that. Click on next, and you say confirm. Now it's sending to the back office of WAS. It will take a few seconds because our chain is super fast. And what I always say to people is you need to be in the wallet. Here in the left side, you see tab assets, and then you can refresh your page. When you do a refresh, then you see here on this moment, you see the $100.20 coming in, and it's converted. So once you have done this, you see here in the DeFi holding wallet, you see the $100 in USDT BTC20. Now, you go to subscription, you go to Pi. You see, this is the free trading pass, what runs for 30 days. If you have that, you have to renew, because otherwise it will stop your Pi trading. Here you see the whale pass. And this is $100. $500 you can invest in BTC20. Sorry, $100 you can invest in USDT BEP20, but you can buy the subscription with BTC20. And it is lifetime. So make sure that you understand, that you tell everybody this is only for 14 days. You click on the package, DeFi holding wallet balance, you see it here, and then you put in the transaction password. Give me 1 second. Correct, I have done this. Good. And then you click on next. Oh, okay. Oh yeah, caps lock. So now the OTP code will come, and I will get that from the email. 1 second. Okay, let me see. Let me see if this is here. Yes, I have it. And then I can go back to this one, and then I can share my screen again. So I have the OTP, I can put in the OTP, and now the subscription is bought. You can see here, will pass, and the subscription, I buy it. On component details, when you click here, you can see the code. I'm not going to share that because I do not know if that is shareable. So this is how you do it. Very easy, very secure, and you can copy the code. Then what you can do is very easy. You go to your Pi. In Pi, you can see here subscriptions. When you click on subscription, before I had the free pass and now I upgraded it to here. So if you did not do it, you see on the right side, you go subscriptions, you scroll all the way down. Here is coupon code, you paste the coupon code here, and that's it. Super simple, super easy. You can also send coupon codes to other people via the email. If you click on that link here on the right, you can use it if you have your email address in your profile the same, and otherwise you can send it via transfer to another person, his email, and he can use it. But this is really, really next level. If we look in Pi, you can see, let me go to other account. You can see this account I started. And I always go to my balance. I go to transaction history. And you can see in this account, I started it on the 5th of April with $100. We were just in the beginning. I put some $30, $15 in. Then on the 7th of April, I added another $400 in there. And I added, you know, $70, $70. So in every account. Then this was on the 3rd of May. I put another $100 in there. And I put that in that cipher flow. That is where the big whales are investing. You can see here the performance: Blackwood Capital, Swift Holding, Purple Swan, Algo Riders, BTC Alpha, and Cyberflow. You can see here, this is just new. This is from the 3rd or the 4th of May. You can see here, this is already running a little bit longer, from $8, $10, $11. And this is without me doing anything. If I want to edit it, I can here in edit, I can say I want to withdraw money, then 50% is reinvested from the profit and 50% will go back in. But I can also put it back because on this moment, I just let it compound. You can see here, everything is visual. You can also deposit more. I can put more crypto in. If I want to send more cryptos, I can just send USDT BEP20 on this wallet here, and I can invest more money. So again, on this license, you can also see here on Quick Stats. This is license 1, the $500. What I bought, including in the Financial Freedom Pack, you can see I can invest $2,500 in this portfolio, in this wallet, and this Pi account. I can invest like $2,500 to let it work for me. You can see everything here, how much percentage, the risks. Very important that you understand the risks, but you can see also the performance here, how much this is doing, and you know that compounding is really, really, you know, the 7th world wonder. Kashid, I give the word back to you.
Thank you, David, for that amazing presentation and amazing dashboard sharing. So, of course, ladies and gentlemen, now that the Pi is available as a product on our platform, the minimum package to start with was 500 USDT, but soon, as per the community's request, and we also had some pending refunds from BTC20 USDT. So, because of that, everything now is very much aligned, and now people can actually use their BTC20 assets to buy a minimum subscription of $100 on Pi. So this is such an amazing opportunity for everybody who ever had boomerang refunds or assets in BTC20 USDT. So for everybody, now it is an option to avail the whale pass from WAS back office. This whale pass is, of course, of just 100 USDT in BTC20, but later on you can upgrade it to higher subscription value by only paying the difference. So how can you use it? For everybody, like for people who have BTC20 USDT assets, they can encash them, buy a whale subscription for themselves, or they can invite their friends and family. They can buy all other subscriptions, all other whale pass coupons, more than one, and they can invite their friends and family. So this is very, very interesting. This is very amazing for a community who had been wanting this for a long time. But again, the timeline is very limited. We have this whale pass to be bought or purchased in BTC20 only for 15 days, starting from today, 20th of May, that is Tuesday, after 15 days, almost 14 days now. So this exclusivity of buying whale pass with BTC20 USDT will no longer be available. So make sure that you use it for yourself. You encash your BTC20 assets if you really want to, or you use them for your inviting new teams. And this is one way how we can cash out BTC20 USDT. So this is all getting in place now. Everything is aligning for the betterment of the entire community. So David, thank you so much for this amazing presentation. Thank you for your, the way you showed your back office dash by dashboard and everything. And thank you everybody for participating on this call. This is again, a history in the making. We are doing this for the first time, and this is going to be an amazing journey. Thank you for joining this call. Thank you everybody. Thank you all rank leaders, and we'll see you tomorrow with another fantastic presentation and more detail on this. So a few instructions are already shared in the Zoom chat. You can walk through all the instructions, how to activate your whale pass, how to use your BTC20 assets. Then also we have shared in the Zoom chat, there is an X account of LquidPay to your bank. So you must go through this X account because lots of important announcements are going through this X account. Also in the Zoom chat, you will find a DYQ form where we have established another channel to support this community. So you may request your questions, you may put your queries there, and there is another sheet to get your answers. And of course, at the last, we have this amazing panel of co-hosts, rank leaders, and everybody else. This is amazing. Thank you so much for joining this call, and we will see you tomorrow with same time and with lots more excitement. Thank you, everybody. Thank you, David, and thank you all.
Can the host please let the Zoom a little bit open that people can copy the chats in the Zoom, because otherwise people don't have any time.
Yes.
So just leave it a few minutes or 1 minute open that people can copy or click on the links. Thank you.
Meanwhile, any other rank leader who would like to share this forum and give their feedback, you're most welcome.
This was an amazing presentation, but I'm not allowed to show my my face.
Just a minute. Yes, Chantal. Chantal, now you can.
Yes, yes. Wow. What a new beginning. Finally, we can use our BTCC to start paying for new packages and to participate in this amazing passive project. David, that was a great presentation. Trashid, the way you summarized it is fantastic. Support team, the perfect information is standing in the back, and I look forward to getting this momentum going, because, hey, we all have BTCCs, we all have back offices, we all have teams that want to make use of Pi. We've seen the results. So thank you so much. Thank you for all the work that's being done.
Thank you, Chantal. And this is a new beginning for everybody. Yes, you rightly said that. So with this new beginning, let's close this call and we'll see you tomorrow and keep the excitement going. Thank you, everybody, for joining this call. We'll see you very soon.
La salida de Warren Buffett de Berkshire Hathaway, la compañía ha llegado a perder más de un 6%, a esta hora cotiza con caídas del 4,91 en los $513,29. Y vamos con nuestro siguiente invitado en los próximos minutos.